In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can redeem a gift card on Binance. Now this is really easy, guys, so let's get straight into it. To redeem your gift card, you wanna log into your account on Binance and then you wanna hover your icon. Once you're in here, you wanna find the rewards hub, and this is also gonna work if you're using the mobile version. So if you're using the app, just find the rewards hub. And once you're in here, what you wanna do is you wanna look for My Vouchers. So click on My Vouchers, and once this is opened, in the corner, you should be able to see a button called Voucher Code. So if you click on this, you will now be able to redeem your code in here. So just type it in, press claim voucher, and then it has been redeemed. So this is the easiest way that you can do this, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.